Ready to transform how you connect with customers? Let's build your customer journey directly inside Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Setup icon. In the upper right corner of your Zoho CRM dashboard, it looks like a little gear. In the Setup menu, find the Automation section. Under Automation, select Journey. Now, you're in the Journey Builder. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a blank canvas where you will map the customer journey. On the left, you will see all of the modules which represent actions. Start by dragging and dropping a Start module onto the canvas. This represents the entry point for your customer journey, perhaps a new lead creation or a contact sign-up. Next, drag an email module and connect it to the Start module. You will drag one module to the next. Click on the email module and configure the email to be sent out. When the customer starts their journey, you can create a customized email here. To add a time delay, drag a delay module and connect it. After the email module, configure the delay duration. Let's say, wait for 3 days. This pauses the journey, allowing time for your customers to respond. To segment, drag an if else module after the delay module. Define a condition, for example, whether the email was opened. If yes, send a different email with an offer. If no, send them a reminder email. Continue adding and connecting modules to map out the entire customer journey. Remember to save your journey when you are finished. Using Journey in Zoho CRM, you're now equipped to deliver exceptional, personalized customer experiences, driving satisfaction and loyalty.